Yes, welcome back to the channel. Nsanso kubalaba nate. I'm in Liko products. Liko, these are our sponsors. Bano ba sponsor bafe. Abatuwagira mu seminars afe. Bakola ebintu ebyenjawulo. They make different products. They make La Bonita herbal soap, sabuni, jumbo ball pens, peniza jumbo, baby jelly, baby soap, all of those products. If you're not, when you go to any shop this festive season in Uganda, buy their products. La Bonita herbal products or La Bonita products. The company is Liko Uganda. They are our sponsors for the video. All right, I want to respond to somebody. I have a student who is failing to use is and are. Nina student ali kulemererwa okukozesa is over are. For the Luganda, is would be like a verb, or are would be verb. No, for the Luganda, is would be like are, then are would be like a verb. And when do we use is and when do we use are? Dilwe tukozesa va na dilwe tukozesa are. Okay, I said is a singular. Is used for singular subjects. Singular subjects or singular pronouns. Singular pronouns like what do we have here? It, she, and he. And then are is for plural subjects. Plural subjects or plural pronouns, which we have like we and they. Okay? And we do it again. Together chikola nate. Okukozesa is ne are. When do we use is and are? We said is for singular subjects or singular pronouns like it, she, or he. Then are is for plural subjects. Are is for plural subjects and plural pronouns like we and they. So let's just try to go through these examples. Katugezeko kuyitira mu byokulabirako bino tulabe. So we're going to try to go through some examples tugenda gezaako okuyita mu byokulabirako. Let's say we want to see when we use is and are. Twagala okulaba okoze sotya is over are. And for the Luganda, abayiga Luganda, are is, va is are, depending. But we're just going to learn this. So like the mom is coming to the garden. The mom is coming to the garden. Kitegeeza kitya mu Luganda? Mama ajja mu nnimiro. Mama ajja mu nnimiro. Is like is a prefix, then the stem is ja. Okay. Netugenda ku yokubiri. The dog is coming from the river. Embwa eriemu, just one dog, that's what we use in is. The dog is coming from the river. Embwa eja okuva kumugga is coming from the river. Eja okuva kumugga. Okay? Then we have another example here. The boys are going to Kampala. The boys are going to Kampala. Abalenzi bagenda Kampala. Bagenda Kampala. Abalenzi bagenda Kampala. Then we have the women are cooking food. The women are cooking food. we see we have are here, and then this is plural too. This is plural, just like this one is plural. The women are cooking food. Abakyala bafumba emmere. Abakyala bakola ki? Bafumba emmere. Then the next example we have, the woman is dancing. The woman is dancing. You see, just one woman. Mukyala ali omu, the woman is dancing. We use this. Omukyala azina. The woman is dancing. Omukyala akola ki? Azina. But if we say the women are dancing, abakyala bazina. You see that? That is a plural. Plural. Then or we use the, what is it for plural pronouns? They. If we don't say the women are dancing, we say they are dancing. They are dancing. The next one is the man is going to the football pitch. The man is going to the football pitch. You see this? The man is going to the football pitch. Omusajja genda ku kisaawe ky'omupiira. Or we say he is going to the football pitch. He's going to the football pitch. That is a singular. If we say he, that's a singular pronoun. But if we say they, man, that's a singular subject. Okay? Then we go to Edakeri. The dads are eating food. The dads are eating food. Or the fathers are eating food. Are eating food. This is that is a plural subject. Subjects. So we would say tata valya emmere. Batata valya emmere. The fathers or the dads are eating food. So the last one would be they are coming to school. They are coming to school. Vajja ku ssomero. Oh, if we say they're going to school, bagenda. So vajja ku ssomero. They are coming to school. Vajja ku ssomero. They are. They. You see? This is a pronoun. Singular, not plural, pronoun. They are coming to school. So I hope that at least this video can help you differentiate between how to use is and how to use are. Engeri gy'osobola okukozesaamu is oba are. Era mu Luganda nti is eba a, then are eba ba. Okay? So weeyongera okukola practice, n'okunsindikira message, n'okwebuuza, n'okujja tukuteeke ku gurupu yaffe ey'okuyiga oluzungu, then we will move well together. All right. Thank you so much. Hope to see you. I hope you support these products and watch this advert for Liko Uganda Limited. Thank you so much, everybody. Love you. Available in all sizes countrywide. Our premium product is Dental Herbal toothpaste, which comes with a free toothbrush, a cream, and a pen. Other products from Liko include dental toothbrushes, Labonito Herbal Petroleum Jellies, bathing bar soap, which all comes in different sizes, and fragrances. Labonito Herbal Body Cream, Body Lotion, Body Glycerin, Labonito Kiss Me Lip Balm, coming in all flavors countrywide. Jumbo Ball Pens, Hair Shampoo, Kleenex Liquid Soap, Guest Soap, Viz Laundry Liquid Detergent Soap, All our products are made from Uganda with the best nature's herbal extracts, making it reliable and consumer friendly for all people, local and international figures from as low as 500 shillings. It can help you navigate the day right from sunrise to darkness with a confident, smiling face, whatever you are around the world. You can find our products here at the factory, our depot in Kampala, or in all shops countrywide, including our different distributors across Uganda and Jinja, Mbale, Soroti, Lira, Arua, Oima, Masindi, Ekases, Kabale, Chisoro, Ishaka, Ebusia, and many more across the country. For inquiries, please call the company number 0751 00706 or visit us on plot number 51 Modo Farm Road, Jeru, Jinja, Uganda. Let's buy liquor and build Uganda.